Hi Capricorn, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. And this is your generic forecast for 2012 with a lot of focus on the latter part of the year. Capricornians, you started this year with quite a phenomenal transits there in your chart, and the focus has been there on your work. Let's have a look at your career and finance for 2012. This year, Capricornians, the focus is there on your year. 2012 is all about work for you. So the first half, while it will seem challenging for most of you at your workplace, the second half of the year will see you enjoying your work and being more at ease and being able to handle the stress factors far more smoothly than the first part of the year. This also trend starts from September onwards. So it will be a great time for a lot of you wherein all the hard work has got done in the first part of the year, and it would be sort of a time to sit and reap the rewards from September onwards. This is also a great time to be paying attention to your friends and associates. It's a good time to be acknowledging the effort that your colleagues, your friends, your associates have put in to make you or your work a success. It's a great time to be acknowledging it, Capricornians. So try not to be very stingy with your praise. Go all out and do thank the people who have been extremely supportive of you, of your work. November 28th, there's an eclipse in your 6th house. Now, so your 6th house is all about work. It is about your health as well. It also covers small domestic pets. So it could be a cat or it could be a dog as well. And the eclipse is going to be sort of bringing an end to a project. So it could be something big that a lot of you have been working on for a while, and the eclipse on 28th November will sort of be a culmination part onto the project. Now Saturn has been there in your 10th house, Capricornians. Your 10th house is all about career. It is about reputation. It is how it is that you're perceived, or how it is that you perceive others, especially in your work environment. And I think Saturn has been there for about 2.5 years. It carries on being there till about October, and it moves out on October 5th and it moves to your 11th house. Now Saturn being there in your 10th house has taught you a lot of lessons as to how it is that you need to be dealing with people at your workplace, how it is that you need to be behaving with them. It is not always important that people need to fear you, Capricornians. I think you need to learn that, or I hope a lot of you would have learned that it is I think it lasts more if people respect you and there is a lot of loyalty and love towards a leader than fear. I think fear seldom is a motivating factor for long. So keep that in mind, or rather, like I said, Saturn would have taught you that enough for the last 2.5 years as to how it is that you really need to be treating other colleagues. For a lot of you, it could be the other way around as well. It could be as to how it is that you have been treated by colleagues, and a lot of you could, I think it could be a kind of sort of removing your rose-colored glasses and looking at your colleagues and at your workspace, and maybe understanding a few home truths as well as far as your work is concerned, and you would be refusing to put up with a lot of nonsense that you would have been so far. So it's a both-way thing, but I think the trend more so speaks about that if you have the power, how it is that you use the power, Capricornians. I think that is pretty much the theme for you. Try to ensure that people who are below you in the career rung are treated with equal respect, and that you give everybody an equal opportunity as well. Let's have a look at your love and relationships now. There could be some explosive situation at home around the September 19th. Uranus is there in your 4th house of home, with whom it is that you share your space. And Pluto is there in your 1st house of self, who it is that you are, your goals, your desires, your dreams, your ego, yourself, you. And it is causing a square, it's causing a clash with your home. So it could be that you may not be in agreement with the person with whom you share your space as to how it is that you want things to be, or how it is about it. Could be about the rules and regulations, or how it is that you want things to be around at home. Nothing really major, but it could be a disagreement of sorts. So try not to lose your cool over there, Capricorn, and it's absolutely manageable. I think it will just sort of push your buttons a bit, but like I said, it's very, very manageable. So try not to lose your shirt over there. Second half of the year sees you form strong connections with your friends as well. There would be a sense of deepening of friendships. You will realize people who stand up to you or who have been there by your side genuinely all throughout. You are also more determined to pursue your personal goals. A lot of you could actually be tempted to fund one of your personal pet dreams as well this year, Capricornians. So overall, a great year, Capricornian. I'll see you soon and thank you so much for watching.